Hi, my name's Meg Ginsberg and I'm an apprentice project manager at South West Water. Here's a day in my life. So I start my day off with a cup of tea before heading into Exeter College Future Skills Centre for a class going over prep before my endpoint assessment. First I head to the cafe to grab a cup of tea to fuel me through the day, and then I head to my class. I love going to college as I mix with a huge variety of people from other companies while I learn the vital project management techniques which are essential for me to do my job well. A quick check of my phone and I need to head into the office, so off I go. Here I am arriving at work, so this is the Pennon and South West Water main office in Exeter, so I'm just heading straight up to my desk. I'm just grabbing my headset before the meeting and it's just under my Southwest Apprenticeship Ambassador Network t-shirt. The network gives me opportunities to share my apprenticeship experiences at school talks and career events to help explain what being an apprentice is really like. I hop on a call with a contractor, then I check some emails and look at my college notes before heading to Sidmouth for a site visit in the afternoon. Here's Sidmouth in the beautiful golden hour light. One of my favourite parts of the job is travelling around the southwest and getting to see these amazing locations. Putting my college learning into practice in the workplace is an amazing way of building my skills and experience. After work, I head to the Exeter Otters wheelchair basketball first team training session. It's my favourite way to unwind after a busy day. I have a range of challenges in my life, like completing my studies alongside working, being a wheelchair user, and a mum to my wonderful daughter, but I can honestly say I love it all. And with the support I get from my family and friends, work and college, I can juggle all these things and overcome any challenge.